Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Hinge application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to reset the Hinge application to its factory settings, then you may either long press on the Hinge app and tap on the I button to end up within the application info page, or you can also open up your phone settings and then open up the apps. From here, just locate the Hinge application, and once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Now, within the application info page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first in order to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage page, you may now clear the application cache as well as the data. In order to reset the application, you will need to clear the data. Go ahead and click on it and then tap on the delete button, which will now clear all of your user data within the Hinge app. After this process, when you open up the Hinge app once again, you will be asked to log into your account. After you log in, the application will now start to run with its factory default settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset the Hinge application on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.